الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Muhammad Asif. I am subject teacher of class 8 computer from the educator Farooq Glass campus. Before starting the class, we recite dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen. Chapter is list and images in HTML5, chapter number 3, and our topic is list. And we define the list. The list tag defined as a list item, and the list tag is used to order list and then unordered list. Basically, the purpose of list we use and connect. Basically, the list defined is we connect it into numbers and then names. Basic purpose of list is connected into numbers and then names. This is the list is clear, and then list first type is order list, and we define order list. Order list define the tag the tag defined as an order list, and the order list can be numerical and then alphabetical. Basically, the order list is two example. We write this. First example is alphabetical, and then second example is numerical, and we discuss in the alphabetical example. Alphabetical example: list of organic system of human body. Basically, the human body we connected into alphabetic word. We connected into alphabetic word. First is A. We connected into A, digestive system, and then we connected into B, respiratory system. And then second example is numerical classification. Numerical numbers and then more, and we connected into source of classification of energy. First one is on the basis of source of energy. Basically, the numbers we connected into solar types and solar energy. On the basis of the sources, number one is natural energy, and then we connected into two number is wind energy, and then more continue to number and then connected into solar sources. And then we clear in the order list, and then unordered list we define unordered list. Basically, the unordered list is defined. Basically, the unordered list is defined into UL, and then more tag defined as unordered list and then bullet list. Then unordered list is second name is bullet listed, and then example of this we show the first list of item and then second list of item. And then second example is physics, chemistry, and then mathematics, and then last example is smiley face, math, and then physics. Basically, the unordered list is not connected into name and not connected into number. It's so simple. We connected into our satisfaction, and we connected into circle and then smiley face and then other things. So our class, we are clear in three topics: list, order list, unordered list. And then we sort order list, and then order list. Basic function of the order list: an order list is defined as list of atom in which order of the matter, and then order list is called number list. The basic function of order list is created into numbers and connected into numbers and connected into names. XYZ we connected into your budget list, your home budget list, and then many more in your scale in your school list. XYZ for many example of the connected, many example to connect it into name and then to connect it into numbers. And then the basic function of your book, page number 56, and then we create order list, and then we create the order list title, and the first style is upper alpha, and then more we create the human body, and then we create the name of we create the function of digestive system, and then we connect it into showing in figure in list of human body, and then we connected into name A, and then we connected name B, and then many more into continue to J. For the function of the order list is connected into alphabetic number, and then we connected into numerical number. And the second example of the numerical number is figure number 3.10. Figure number 3.10, classification and sources of energy. And the first is one of the bases of source, natural source, solar energy, and then wind energy, etc. And then second numerical number on the basis of physical state, solid, and then liquid, and then gases is the type of the second thing. This is the function of the order list. Order list we connected into previous figure into alphabetical, and then this figure is 3.10 we connected into numerical number. So our lecture is complete for order list, unordered list, and then list. Unordered list. We discuss in unordered list, basic purpose of unordered list we define. An unordered list is used to item which ordering of item is not important. An ordered list is also called bullet list. The basic purpose of the order list is basically that we not connected into name, and then we not connected into numbers. So easily we connected into many things, circles, smiley face, and triangle, and then we can example, and then we create the list and unordered list. Basically we create hash bracket document, and then HTML hash and HTML, and then title, creating unordered list. Basically the function of unordered list XYZ, the function of list, and then square, the put easily square, and then we showing the figure, and we square, we showing the figure, and then value of square, and then you put in smiley face, and then easily showing in smiley face, physics, chemistry, and then biology. And then more thing of unordered list is basically the purpose of not connected into numbers, and then not connected into names, and then put in square, and then many function XYZ you like for anything you put in language, and then you easily showing in figure. Basically function of unordered list is detailedly explained of this definition, and then figure number 3.3. This is your homework. Write the difference between ordered list and unordered list. This is your homework. Write the difference between ordered list and unordered list. Okay class, I hope you understand this lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.